The top 5 greens include spinach, kale, dandelion, Swiss chard, and mustard greens. Spinach is a good source of vitamin K, which helps promote the production of protein called osteocalcin. That stabilizes calcium in the bones. So I associate spinach with bone benefits. Kale is low in calories, yet it's incredibly dense with nutrients. It's also a good source of minerals, copper, potassium, iron, manganese, and phosphorus, as well as compounds that promote eye and skin health. I use eye and skin as an associated benefit to kale. Dandelion, that weed that grows in your yard, is very high in vitamin K, which is important for blood and bone health. It's a natural diuretic and it's very beneficial for the kidneys. It supports the liver and the gallbladder as well. I give dandelion 2 thumbs up and associate it with blood, bones, kidneys, liver, and gallbladder. It's worthy of having more than a one-word association to its health benefits. Swiss chard is also high in vitamin K, which assists in blood clotting, and it protects bones from fracturing. So I associate Swiss chard with blood and bones. Are you recognizing a pattern that leafy greens are good for bones and blood? Mustard greens are an excellent source of vitamin A, which keeps eyes and skin healthy, and it helps to protect against infections. So I associate mustard greens with eyes and skin. These greens are packed with nutrition, and I use them in just about every juice I make. If you're taking prescription drugs, especially those associated with the blood, then you need to discuss raw juicing with your doctor to make sure there'll be no interaction with your medications. I've only seen one instance where a doctor would not allow raw juicing due to a possible interaction with blood thinners. Kale in particular will have an impact. Next up, we have 5 top herbs. That's my favorite garden item. I'll see you then.